All right, we got Lisa Ryan here. Brought a delicious strawberry pie, handmade.
This is an artisanal pie. Only the best people are privy to it.
All right, we got Chris Ryser over here.
Cheers. Aloha.
I got a little bit of a tan while we're here.
Aloha.
I have known Chris for a long time.
20 years-ish.
Yeah. So Chris used to be a realtor when I was with ReeceNichols, and that's where we met.
In Kansas City, Overland Park. Yep.
Yeah, years ago. And Chris and Lisa live in Honolulu.
Right here in Honolulu.
Yeah, so it's pretty cool to hook up after all this time, all these years.
I'm glad you came to spend your anniversary with us.
Yes, you look the same.
Well,
You haven't aged a bit.
thank you.
Oh my gosh, Dad.
Yeah, this is really cool.
It even lights up the beach.
Oh, it does.
And it lights up all of those places.
Now this is like really cool. You can hear it echo everywhere. Wow, that was awesome.
Did you hear the engine
Gosh.
echo throughout the whole Grand Prix?
Yeah, you can hear everybody screaming and yelling.
Yeah, did you hear that last
I
part
would
echo
probably be
throughout
the
the whole
loudest.
Grand Prix?
Yeah, that was so cool.
We could literally...
You guys want a boogie board?
Oh yeah, see if they'd like that. That's our gift to you.
So we had some people come out of their hotel and they gave us 3 of them. We just happened to meet them at the right time. And so we tried a couple of them out and we just really liked our little, rafts better, but we kept one and we gave a couple out, but anyway.
Sure. We have families supposed to be coming in 2 weeks.
You should go upstairs. You want to see the view from that bedroom? It's awesome.
Kind of messy.
Yeah, it's kind of messy.
You go first. I'll stay with her.